In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a photo on CapCut. Cropping is one of the simplest but most powerful ways to improve a photo. It helps you remove distractions around the edges, focus on the subject, and match the shape you need for different platforms, like horizontal for YouTube or square for a profile picture. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to crop a photo inside CapCut's editor. First, make sure you already have a project open in CapCut and that your photo is imported into the timeline. You should see your photo both on the canvas in the preview area and as a clip in the timeline below. If you don't, just import the image and drag it onto the timeline before continuing. Next, click to select the photo. You can do this by either clicking directly on the image in the canvas or by clicking on its clip in the timeline. When it's selected, you'll notice some editing options appear just above the timeline. Look for the crop icon. This is usually represented by a small square or rectangle symbol. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear, showing your image with adjustable handles around the edges. Now you're in the cropping view. To crop manually, move your cursor to any of the corners or sides of the image and drag the handles inward or outward. As you drag, you'll see the highlighted area change. Everything inside that box is what will remain after cropping. Everything outside will be removed. Take a moment here to really frame your subject. Try to center the most important part of the image, or use the rule of thirds by placing your subject slightly off center for a more dynamic look. If you want your photo to match a specific format, you can also use the preset ratios. Look for the option to set a ratio and choose one that fits your needs, such as 16:9 for widescreen, 1.1 for a square, or other available presets. This is especially useful if you're preparing content for a particular social media platform that prefers a certain aspect ratio. Once you're happy with how the photo is framed, confirm your crop. At the bottom right of the pop-up, click the Confirm button. CapCut will close the cropping window and apply your changes to the photo in the timeline and on the canvas. And that's it. Your photo is now cropped in CapCut, ready for you to continue editing, add effects, or export as part of your final video.